Welcome to week 10, assignment 2. As I have told you before, what I'm doing is assignment 1 will be a step-by-step tutorial that you get to follow. Assignment 2 will be the same type of format document that we're using in assignment 1, and you get to do your own. Yes, you may go back and look at the video, but I am not giving you a step-by-step video. So if you go to assignment 2, if you go to assignment 2, it says you're going to create your own memo. It is going to be listing the 5 major religions. You're going to use this attached file that is going to give you all the information. If you are following my naming conventions, this will be quarter 2 assignment 4. And you'll put it in your quarter 2 folder. You will eventually, or if you want to do it now, you will upload it to your quarter 2 folder on OneDrive. In this file, you're only going to submit the actual file. So it will submit here. Okay, so just so you can see, if you click on the file, it will download. It is going to open up and it is going to give you the exact same information. You're going to be doing the exact same thing using different styles of tables, etc. So you're going to address this to your social studies teacher or your individuals and societies teacher. You'll have, you're going to center, highlight, and left align their name. You'll copy this paragraph. So you're just going to click, hold, and drag. You can then hit Control C, or you can right click and copy. And you are going to paste it into yours. You're going to create a title and a table, and you're going to put all of this in it. Then you will copy this sentence. Religions have emerged and developed across the world. Some have been short-lived, while others have persisted and grown. And then you will sign it. You'll say, sincerely, thank you. Remember how we had learned, for the people who were with me before, we learned that when you do a closing or a signature, it should have some kind of closing, which is words like sincerely, thank you, I look forward to hearing from you, etc. Make sure it fits on one page. So if your font is really, really big, you can make it smaller. So you're going to be playing around with those types of things. I will put an example. I will upload and attach an example of what the final one should look like so that you have a basic idea. As always, if you have any questions, please submit. You can submit a question, or you can contact me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day.